Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make the card that you see right now and you saw on the cover. It's a little spinner, cute little thing. Okay, you're going to get this piece of paper. I didn't measure it because who measures? I ain't going to do that. You can use a ruler. I didn't because why would I do that? And you're going to draw these lines down the side. They're just going to be guidelines for whenever you cut it and whenever you fold it later on. And you're going to have to cut some corners into the side, so go ahead and draw lines on the side. And then you see the shaded part. The shaded part is going to be what you cut out. Okay, so here's after I cut it out, and you're going to watch me go ahead and fold these sides in. Yep, get to folding, girl, get to folding. You do it, girl. Okay, so now you're going to cut out this circle. Mine was too small, but, it's just an example. And you're going to draw this, rainbow shape. And then you're going to draw a triangle underneath that. And then you are going to proceed to color this rainbow in, even though really you could just color the whole circle in, but, you do it, I guess. I don't know. You just do. And then I'm going to draw these dark, bold lines on. Those are the ones you cut. Hear me specifically. Okay, you're literally about to watch me do what you're not supposed to do. Do not cut the triangles out. That's not the purpose of this. Yeah, I'm a buffoon that shouldn't have scissors because I just didn't listen to my own lesson. And you're going to see in a second that I had to hot glue it back on. Yep, there it is. There's where I had to plug in my mistake. I had to hot glue a little piece in the front because I can't listen. You need that flap. Okay, so grab your piece again. You're going to draw some hearts on the front. Make sure the folded side is on the bottom and you have the non-folded side on the top. And what I did to make sure that the hearts would fit right is that I put the circle underneath and then I held it up to the light. And obviously I'm a Dumbo, so I put the hearts way too off to the side. Don't do that. And the hearts are way too far from the bottom, so hopefully you'll do it right. Okay, now here is my actual one that I made before. There's my example. And you're going to take your circle and you're going to put it under and you're going to fit it through that little hole that you made after you cut out your hearts. This is where the flap comes in to play. And you fold your flap down and you're going to hot glue a little spinner in the middle. Probably shouldn't use hot glue. I burnt myself at least 6 times. So yeah, don't do that. And then I trimmed a little bit of the outside because it was too big. Yeah, you see that little hole? That's where I made the mistake. Anyways, I'm going to hot glue these flaps to the top side. Now, you can't see because my big fat hand's in the way, but I'm drawing some lines, and I'm putting how much do I love you, and it looks all cute, and yes, go girl. Color it in the spinner, and now you can spin it. Look, it's spinning. It's spinning. Look at it go.
Yay.